In my teens, that was great. Used to hang out with all of my friends in my village. Happy days were always was the month for me. When I was on a losing streak, I thought the best was always yet to come. My love stories had a few, and all of them I learned something new. Ah, chicks, I always had my gift for chatting up. I remember when we used to jam. Hey, chica bonita, ¿dónde vas? And enjoy yourself. I know you